Grant Mitch Videos presents. Dora changes the air conditioner / scares mom / grounded. Requested by Laura Gets Grounded series.
I am going to change the air conditioner. Now to leave before I get caught.
I'm going to watch some. Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. Oh my gosh, Dora must have done this. Get over here right now. Dora, how dare you change the air conditioner? That almost gave me a heart attack. That's it, you are grounded till I get a 1957 style air conditioner. Go to your room right now.